Meaning of inhabitant.
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 Inhabitant. The word inhabitant refers to a person or animal that resides in a particular place or region. It implies a sense of belonging and permanence, rather than just passing through or visiting. Inhabitant can also refer to the total number of people or animals living in a given area. The term is often used in discussions about demographics, urban planning, and ecology. Overall, an inhabitant is someone or something that occupies and makes a home in a specific location, contributing to the culture and community of that place.